everyone, welcome to my Project Ideas channel. Today we'll learn how to connect a NeoPixel strip having 16 NeoPixels with Arduino. So let us begin. So for this, we need one Arduino Uno, one NeoPixel strip having 16 NeoPixels and a few connecting wires. Now let us see how to actually connect it. So first of all, we'll connect this in pin of the strip to this 5V pin of this Arduino. After it, we will connect this 5V pin of it to this 5V power supply of this Arduino and the GND pin of it to this GND pin of this Arduino. And this way our strip is connected to this Arduino. Now let us see our code. So this is our code. Over here, first of all, we have included one header file of the NeoPixel. After it, we have used two variables. First is a pin. We have initialized it to 5. It is the pin number of this Arduino to which the strip is connected. After it, this P to 16. P is the total number of NeoPixels in this strip, that is 16. After it, we have used the strip. It will take 3 parameters. First is the total number of pixels in the strip. Second one is the P number of this Arduino to which the strip is connected. And the third one will represents the GRB color code which will be used in this NeoPixel strip along with its frequency. Over here it is 800 kHz. Now in this void setup function we are beginning the strip, and in the void loop function we are using 3 variables which will be given the input using this random function, and this random function will generate a random number from 0 to 255. After it, we are using a for loop which will run from 0 to 15, and it will set the pixel color using these 3 variables, and the strip.show function will show the color, and this is the delay. Over here we have used 25 milliseconds. Now let us see how exactly it will look like. So for it, I'm clicking on start simulation. As you can see over here, different colors are generated using that random function, and the strip, it is shown. Wow, awesome. Hope you will like it. Thank you.